Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today let's discuss how to see how many people blocked you on X. So X does not give you a list or a count of who blocked you because it's designed to stay private. And the only way how you can know for sure is when you manually check someone's profile and see message that you are blocked. So if you're just curious about a specific person, let's go to searching section at the bottom side of my screen, and now at the top I need to tap the searching bar and look specific someone's profile, tap it to open it, and if you are blocked you will see this message that says this user has blocked you. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.